President Duterte insists government services should remain in full swing despite the rise in COVID-19 infections. But some agencies are already shuttering operations due to a lack of healthy staff. Camille Samonte has the report.
President Duterte says government offices should remain fully operational to ensure the effective delivery of public services. Duterte made this remark amid an uptick in COVID-19 cases among government personnel, including healthcare workers in public hospitals.
Alam mo kung bawalan tayo, tapos lahat sa gobyerno kasi opisina yan. Opisina por opisina por opisina. Ngayon, if bawalan mo lahat magtrabaho, then the machinery of government will stop to grind. Then sino ngayon ang what is the face of government at this time? Tayo sa public, we do not want to, hindi naman violate, we do not want to do it.
Duterte noted that some agencies are doing its effort to mitigate the short staffing.
Now, mag-compromise tayo. That's part of the game. Yan ang trabaho namin. Ngayon, kung mag-COVID kami, then so be it. Kasali sa trabaho yan eh. Now, kung mamatay ako, then so be it.
Under Alert Level 4, government agencies will remain fully operational with at least 20% on-site capacity for workers. The Department of Foreign Affairs, however, announced that operations of its consular services and off-site passport services will be temporarily suspended due to the rise of COVID-19 cases among personnel. The temporary suspension of operations will be from January 12 to 20. During the said period, no passport or apostille applications will be processed or released. DFA Undersecretary Dodo Dulay said more than 50 personnel tested positive for COVID-19. Most of their staff are also identified as close contact and need to undergo quarantine. The agency will be implementing a skeleton workforce during the temporary closure.
Nagkaubusan ng mga tao at ang nangyayari pag hindi namin ginawa ito, Camille, baka mas lumala, lalo kami hindi makapag-operate for a longer time. So we just need to do this now while people are still not that widespread pa yung infection and yung iba namin, na-assume namin na positive, symptomatic. So we hope that with this short time out, it's really just a period of 7 working days.
Passport and apostille applicants who are affected by the temporary closure will be given a new schedule to be posted at DFA's website. The Land Transportation Office also suspended its operation beginning January 10. In a statement, the LTO said the main office will be closed for disinfection after majority of employees who interact with clients have either tested positive for COVID-19 or have been tagged as close contacts. The LTO also reiterated that it will extend the validity of driver's licenses expiring in January to March for another 2 months. The PNP, meanwhile, continues to see a spike in COVID-19 infections among its ranks. Data from the PNP Health Services showed that 436 new COVID cases were reported on Monday, bringing the total active cases to nearly 1,884. PNP Chief General Bernardo Carlos tested positive and is still in isolation. The PNP Health Services said the quarantine facility in Camp Crame is already full. Out of the 380 beds, only 16 beds remain vacant.
Ginagawa namin ngayon siya ng paraan. Ngayon nakahanap kami ngayon nandito ng isang area of venue for the additional quarantine facilities. Inatis namin yung concerns namin dito. Once na magkaroon pa dito ng upset sa mass pa, we are ready for the increase of COVID patient among the PNP personnel.
But the PNP assured that their services will not be hampered despite the increasing number of COVID-19 infections in the force. For News 5, Camille Samonte, we are One News.